Okay, Smeg Hob technology. Smeg cover all of the bases, literally. Induction product, very, very popular, super easy to keep clean. It's very, very efficient, it's fast, and it's very safe. If you leave something on the top, like your tea towel, it's not going to catch fire. In fact, it won't get hot at all. And induction has become increasingly popular now in new kitchens. But some people just like to stick with the traditional. So here is a 5-burner gas hob. Now the thing that I like about this is that the large burner is on the side separately. So if you are using a large pan, it doesn't encroach onto any of the other areas. Sometimes with the large one in the middle, a big pan will almost be touching on every other zone, which can make using the others more complicated. But super stylish, very, very neat, really high quality. And if you like the idea of induction, but you'd like to have some gas within your remit, we can do the mixed fuel. So induction over 4 zones, and again, a large wok burner, rapid hob on the far side. Now this is ideal for when you have a big pan, or maybe if you've got the chapati type pan that needs heat, but it's slightly dished and just won't work on induction. So there's a range that will cover all of your needs. And I think that you'll agree that the Smeg product is stylish. We know it's superb quality, and it's very, very simple to use. Take a look on the website. And again, if you'd like to call us at the shop for any advice, please feel free to do so. But yeah, whatever type of hob you need, we'll be able to help you out from the Smeg range.